The SANY SRT series trucks features 6 core features that has unique competitive advantages and is fundamental to SANY Mining Equipment Company, leading the development of China's new generation of mining trucks. SANY Mining Equipment Company promises to never compromise safety and always provide the greatest value for its customers. SANY Mining Equipment Company has established 4 major safety enhancements to ensure safe operation of SANY mining equipment. The proprietary developed brake system features integrated service, parking, retarding and emergency braking functions. The proprietary oil-cooled brake system meets all ISO J3450 and SAE J1473 standards. The internally strengthened cab frame has dimensions that comply with ISO 3471 and SAE J10401988C ROPS standards. The SANY design cab provides a wide operator view and a 2-meter smaller blind vision area. And a patented review mirror layout design provides unequaled operator vision for high-density or close maneuvering operations. SANY mining equipment trucks can be supplied with a camera system that provides a 360 degrees unparalleled vision around the truck. The SRT series trucks features 5 major reliability advantages done by using the SANY Independent Innovation Method and using the integration of SANY's global resources. The SRT series truck features a straight rail design to eliminate sources of stress concentration such as bends and breaks. It is a double box section construction utilizing high-strength steel. The use of large radius parts greatly reduces the stress concentration and improves the strength and toughness of the frame. The welding quality is 100% inspected by ultrasound test methods. With independently developed unique weld technology and the high-strength alloy steel forging, it features a 10% higher reliability factor than the closest competitor. The use of long-proven imported fully automatic transmissions allow for driver safety, greater fuel economy, higher performance, greater productivity, and superior reliability. The pumps and valves, when combined with SANY hydraulic systems engineering, results in cooler running hydraulic systems, and in some cases, as much as 5 degrees centigrade cooler than similar equipment. All SANY mining equipment products utilize wherever possible steel tubing for the hydraulic system, lighter weight, and the smaller outside diameter than rubber hose assemblies for the same inside diameter result in better space efficiency. SANY Mining Equipment Company fully supports environmental concerns and factors this into its design of all mining equipment. By using the latest technology, the SRT series trucks has 2 major energy-saving systems. The benefits of the patented hydraulic tank are hydraulic oil life is extended by 1,000 hours, resulting in a reduced maintenance cost of 20% when compared against similar products. By using the latest engine technology and electronic controls, the company is utilizing the most efficient technology available for protecting the environment. The SRT series products, when tested for fuel consumption in multiple mines, tested 8% lower than our competitors, while carrying 5% more in material. The SRT series product line, with its advanced configurations, outstanding performance, and higher efficiencies, and off-highway capabilities, will exceed your expectations. The SRT series steering angle is greater than 40 degrees. Emergency steering is supplied by the accumulator capacity and meets SAE J1511, ISO 5010. The SRT series product line offers a horizontal bolster design that absorbs more impact energy for reduced body side damage. SANY mining equipment uses the patented McPherson independent suspension with nitrogen over oil cylinders with variable rate dampening feature on empty and full load cycles, which allows the trucks to have up to 20% lower vibration acceleration than similar competitive products. The specially designed cab reduces noise levels at the operator's ear to 78 decibel, providing a quiet, comfort environment. Real-time data transmission is achieved by using the latest CAN bus technology. All SANY mining products have an LCD screen in the cab that features real-time data and has self-diagnostic capability. Quality changes the world. SANY Mining Equipment Company.